Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and today I will show you how you can capture screenshot on this tablet. Now there's a couple ways of going about it. There is the button one, and also using the stylus, or I think using the stylus. Let's see. Yep, wait, screen right, yep, there we go, Smart Select. So let's start off with the button one. So all we need to do is hold power key and volume down at the same time. There we go. As you can see, it captures it, gives you the edit, share, or tag and share options. So that's the first way. The second way would be to pull this panel out, and I believe by default there used to be, never mind, they used to have the option to capture a screenshot because they did add a couple pages to this. You can add it back up if you want to, but I guess it's kind of defeats the purpose. You can just use the stylus, press on this little pen icon right here and do the Smart Select. Now this gives you a couple options how you can select your image. So we have the free select, we have the free one where it just allows you to select any kind of like shape and it will just crop it like that. We can have a circular one, GIF or GIF, and pinning, but that's basically the three first options are the ones that we are interested in. So I'm going to stick with the default one right here, and all I need to do is just kind of draw like this. I don't know if it's visible on the camera, but it creates this dotted line, and when I let go, there we go, it creates that, it captures that small image. And from here we can tap to save it. Now going back to the couple options that were accessible right here as well, we can also do this one. I will stick with the free select just because it's a little bit more unique to the circle one. So let's just kind of select what I want. Oops, and I kind of did just mess up. Let's try it again. This one. And as you can see, it crops the exact shape that I selected. Now, obviously, you can be a little bit more precise or use better tools to do this, but for just a screenshot, if you want to select something small, you can just kind of circle around, do a weird like oval or whatever you need, and it will select it, give you this option, save it, and voila. Now, all the images that I have captured can be found in the gallery application. So as you can see right here, screenshots, we have the cropped one. Obviously, you can kind of see the crop. Then we have the, this is the crop one, this is the free select, there we go. And then we have just a normal one. So anyway, that is how you would capture a screenshot on this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.